If you're deciding between Respond.io and ManyChat, you're probably trying to solve one of two problems. You want to automate Instagram DMs and messengers to get more lead, or you need a serious inbox for WhatsApp, Instagram, and multiple agents. These tools look similar on the surface, but they're built for very different businesses. In the next few minutes, I'll make the decision obvious. I'm going to compare them based on what actually matters. The first thing is automation power. Channels, for example, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and more. Team inbox features, CRM plus integrations, and best use cases. Let's start with the simplest difference. And by the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description for both platforms so you can get started for completely free. Now let's dive in. What each tool is really for. ManyChat is best known for turning Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, and comments into leads, using keyword triggers, story mention triggers, comment to DM automation, and simple flows that push people to book, buy, or opt in. It's built for growth, while Respond.io, on the other hand, is designed for businesses that handle conversations across multiple channels. For example, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, web chat, and email. It's built for sales plus support operations with multiple agents. So if you're a solo creator doing DM marketing, ManyChat usually is the faster win. If you're a team handling leads support across channels, Respond.io often fits better. Now, the one difference that decides it. When it comes onto ManyChat, it is strongest when your goal is lead generation and DM campaigns, while Respond.io is strongest when your goal is managing and routing conversations across channels with a team. So the real question isn't which is better, it's are you doing DM marketing or running a messaging operation? Now let's do a quick head-to-head on what matters. First, Instagram and DM lead gen. ManyChat wins for most creators and marketers because it's extremely optimized for IG comment automation, for example, comment link and I'll DM you, DM keyword triggers, fast, simple automation building, and also funnel style flows. For example, lead magnet will lead to email or SMS capture, then from there booking, while Respond.io, on the other hand, can automate also, but it's usually used more like a sales inbox than a DM marketing machine. So if your main channel is Instagram, ManyChat is the typical winner right here. Now let's talk about WhatsApp for sales and support. This depends on your business model, but in practice, if you need team routing, multiple agents, conversation assignment, and structured follow-up, Respond.io tends to be the better option hub. If you need simple WhatsApp automation and your main goal is marketing style flows, ManyChat can still work well. This is where Respond.io really pulls ahead for your business. For example, you'll be able to assign conversations to teammates, internal notes, roles and permissions, handling multiple inboxes across channels, cleaner structure for teams. ManyChat can work with teams, but it's not primarily designed to be your central omni-channel help desk. And if we were to compare them via automation depth, both can automate but with different intent. For example, ManyChat automation feels like a funnel, triggers, flow, conversations. Respond.io automation, on the other hand, feels like operation, for example, route, assign, follow up, and resolve. So don't judge automation by how many blocks exist, judge it by whether it matches your goal. And now, which one feels better daily? This matters because you'll stop using tools that feel wrong. ManyChat feels like a marketing control panel, while Respond.io, on the other hand, feels like a sales support command center. And if you're trying to grow leads, ManyChat will feel lighter and faster. If you're trying to manage volume across channels, Respond.io will feel more controlled. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing, instead of comparing prices line by line, here is the truth. ManyChat becomes worth it when one automation per week consistently produces leads or sales, while Respond.io, on the other hand, becomes worth it when you're losing money due to missed messages, poor routing, and slow responses. So pricing should be judged. For example, when it comes onto ManyChat, their ROI should equal leads plus conversions, while Respond.io, I would say their ROI should equal operational efficiency plus response speed plus save labor. What you can see right here with Respond.io, you can get started for as low as $99 per month, and it can go up to $349 per month. While with ManyChat, you can get started for free, and then from there you can go onto their pro plan for $15. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Respond.io if you need WhatsApp plus Instagram plus multiple channels in one place, and you have a team handling conversations and need routing, assignment, pipeline style follow-up, and treat messaging like a serious sales or support operation. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with ManyChat if you mainly care about Instagram DMs, Messenger, and you want comment to DM automation, and you sell through funnels, lead magnets, or bookings, and you are a creator, coach, agent, or e-commerce brand focused on DM lead generation. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and for watching.